Welcome once again to Microbrands Unscripted. We've been getting a lot of watches, and this just today we got 3 watches. You're not gonna see that because I've already edited it by the time that you see this video. But this is the second one from Baltany, and this was the first one right here. I still don't know the name because by the time I'm editing this, I don't even know the name of that Baltany. But Baltany sent us two, like I said. And this is the second one, so we're going to unbox this now. Let's see what this is. Honestly, it's been a while since I've talked to Baltany, and they kind of promised me to send me these 2 watches, and then they forgot. So now, when everybody remembered, it's kind of like what, months already. Anyway, it's the same thing as the other one, same pouch, same thing there in the box, so we're not gonna dive into that. But now let's see what we're going to get. Okay, so it's one of their divers. Now I remember. It's all coming back to me now. Okay. This is the only channel that you'll have a watch pirate captain singing to you like a Celine Dion wannabe that's trying too hard to do that. Unboxing this. Okay. So what is this? Does this remind you of a Submariner? It kind of does, with a little bit of a faded blue thing going on there, which kind of reminds me of Tudor more than a Submariner. So it's kind of has this Submariner feel with the Tudor colors. So if Tudor was doing that for the Submariner, offering you other color variants that the Submariner would not even dare touch, this is kind of doing or fusing together those two things while offering it at a fraction of a price. So a quick note there, one of the Submariner links are probably much more expensive than this whole watch. Just fair warning there. So for all of you, especially Jeff, I know you're watching, okay? I know you're watching. Especially when it comes to me and these ridiculous asinine comparisons. Yes, I'm comparing the Baltany against the Submariner. But look at that. Look at that. Hey, I mean, like, they are kind of doing that. But it's not the modern Submariner that they're trying to emulate here. It's the old one. As you can see with the Mercedes hands. Okay, this is a funny one. Look at that minute hand. That is long and broad and omega. So I'm talking about watch hands there. And I don't know how to feel about that. I'm kind of thrown off now because I'm expecting a straight sword hand, but now this is a more tapered one. And so you see the faux patina there. Definitely something that irritates a lot of people, but not this watch pirate. I think it's kind of cute. I think it's kind of appealing right now. I mean, like, those are good complementary colors. They're right at the opposite ends of the spectrum there, and actually that works. Look at that. I think this is a 40mm case based on my wrist, my 6¼ inch wrist. So for those who are asking, that's a 6¼ inch wrist. No micro adjust, as you can see there, and also no quick release spring bar. So really old school, if I may say so. So you can see the hands. Okay, it's a screw down crown as expected, and that's right there. And unlike many Submariners except the original Submariner, this is a no date configuration, no date configuration, as like the original Submariner. Let's turn the crown. The bezel, guys. Bezel. Wow. Okay, that is surprising. That is surprisingly buttery, man. I think that's my favorite. That's my favorite part of this watch. Okay, well, I'm now excited to review this. And there's some stuff there that's in between there. But you could see the finishing. The finishing is almost the same as a Submariner. Well, Baltany, that's their niche, homages. So comment down below, let me know about this homage. What you guys think? Is this something that's appealing to you? I think it has a very good market, especially knowing the price. I know this is a really budget watch, and you could get this for really, really cheap. But the finishing is actually pretty good. It's not cheap at all, the finishing. It's a good quality, but we've expected that from Baltany. We've done so many Baltanys before. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this, and the good ones will make it into the video review, and let's roast each other. I don't want to be roasted, but for those who dare roast this watch pirate, let's see if we get banned or not from this watch pirate ship. Comment down below.